All right, we're gonna test out a pH. I have a pH meter here. This is faucet water, right? And then we got our drinking bottled water. Sorry, I don't see through glasses right now. They're dirty, so we're gonna put that one in there while this thing's still setting up. We're gonna test out the faucet water, all right? And let me make sure to not contaminate. So turn it on, and we're gonna see how much we get here. And right now we're at 8.32. Let's go in here. We're at 8 on this one. 8.1. 8.0. So 8.0 on that one. So we're going to let this dry up. We're doing water testing. We're going to make sure that we calibrate this, and it tells you here how to calibrate it, right? There's 3 different packages. There's 4, 6, and 9, all right? So we're going to put it on now these 3 cups, and then we're going to hit the calibrate button in here. You hold it down, and it gives you instructions step by step how to do this. All right, so I did mess up a little bit, so I had to move around, and we're going to go ahead and hold the button, calibrate, all right? Hold it. Starts calibrating, so we're going to do 1, and it's doing it automatically. It's going to 3. It found it. Then we take it out. So it's about 3 to 4, so that's what we want. Then we do the next one, which is around 6. That's perfect. Then we do the last one, which is around 9 on this one. 8 to 9. And this one's actually doing an 8. It's close to say 8. Which is right next to 8, so it's not bad. We calibrate it really good. So that's 1. Go back in here. Look at that. Then this one should be the last one, the first one, which is 4, 3. This is really good. It's calibrated. It's really good. Now let's test it out on a water filter. What are we reading? About 7.2. 7.3, 7.2, 7.3, 7.2. It's pretty much what we're reading. So, really clean, really good water.